Hi, I'm RESHVEENA SUBAHAR.
Hi, I'm KAVIYARASI THAMILSELVAM.
Hi, I am Syahmi, and I am AMIR.
Database designers and end users use the entity relationship model to data structure. Why? Because model makes it easy to understand and communicate by giving pictures of text or information. Entity relationship model is a data model that describes relationship among entities at the conceptual level. ER model was introduced by Chen in 1976. The fundamental components of an entity relationship diagram are entities, attributes, and relationships. These elements will be explored in greater detail in the following slides.
It is important as it helps in structuring data logically before implementing, and it is also easier to handle and store data as it is organized and reduce redundancy. It also serves as a blueprint for creating relational schema. An entity is an object of the real world that exists physically and conceptually. It has to be a noun and rectangular shape, and below is the various type of entity.
So attribute are the characteristics of an entity. They have so many types of attribute, which is simple attribute, composite attribute, solitary valued attribute, multiple valued attribute, and lastly derived attribute.
Simple attributes are the basic attributes of an entity, whereas composite attributes are the sub attributes of an attribute. Solitary valued attributes are attributes that has only one value. For example, a student can have only one age, one date of birth, one gender, and one roll number. Multiple valued attributes are attributes that has many values. For example, a student can have more than one mobile number and more than one email ID. Derived attributes are attributes that are derived from another attribute. For example, age attribute is derived from the date of birth attribute.
So, a key is very important in an ERD diagram. A key is an attribute or a set of attributes within an entity that uniquely identifies each instance in that entity. It should be unique and not null. In an entity relationship diagram, the key attributes are underlined to denote their unique property. So if you can see this example, for the student entity, matrix number is their primary key and it is underlined. And for the lecturer entity, the course number and section number are their primary key and it is also underlined. Okay, next is relationship. Relationship are link between entities. It should be in diamond shape and it should be a verb or conjunction. There is degree of relationship, which is number of entities involved. There is three type of degrees, which is unary, binary, and ternary. If you can see these examples, there is unary relationship, which involves only one entities: student, manager, student. For the binary relationship, it involves two entities, which is customer has account. For the ternary relationship, it involves three entities in it, which is employee works in a department, employee works in a particular location. So relationship can have attributes. It describes the characteristic of the relationship. If you can see this example, there is three entities in this example, which is student, project, and supervisor. There is also three relationship in this example, which is do, supervise, and meets. If you can see the meet relationship, it has its own attributes which describe the characteristic of this particular relationship. So next is cardinality. For ERD, we focus on only three cardinalities, which is one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. If you see this example for one-to-one, the one employee works in one department. For one-to-many, one customer places many orders. For many-to-many, many students enrolled in many courses.
So for title conclusion, the presentation explores entity relationship modeling (ERM), highlighting its importance in database design. ERM simplifies complex systems by visualizing entities, relationships, and attributes, ensuring efficient database structure. Through practical examples, visuals, and clear explanation, the video enhance understanding of ERM's role in problem solving and system development. This comprehensive approach equips learners with essential skills for database analysis and design, fostering deeper knowledge and application in real world. So, for short summary, the Entity Relationship Model (ERM) is a crucial database design tool that visualizes data as entities, attributes, and relationships. It simplifies complex systems by creating structured diagrams that enhance understanding and organization. ERM supports efficient database designs, reduce redundancy, and enhances data and integrity, making it vital for problem solving and effective database development.